Now, elves' lips tend to stand out because either they're glittered or more than often they're colored. So if you're a guy or a girl, don't think twice. Lipstick can save the day. I particularly recommend like a ruby red, which you're basically going to put on here and going to very, very lightly apply. I mean, women, you're not going to have any problem with this. You know how to put lipstick on, go to town. Guys, it's going to be a little lighter, not quite as heavy as the ladies will put on, but definitely enough to kind of bring out the color in your lips. So we're going to put this on here. And a lot of lipstick, I mean, again, borrow your sisters, your wives, your nieces, whoever. Kind of basically get your hand on some lipstick. By all means, do not buy the lipstick at the costume store. It is overpriced. It is not nearly as good a product as you can get at even like the cheapest cosmetic stores. And that's all you're going to need. It doesn't necessarily need to be like a big thing. All it's meant to do is to basically make like a nice effect to bring out your elf's lips.